Did you know that one viral video could completely change your life? Yep, just one. But here's the kicker. Most people don't know how to get there. If you've been grinding on social media or trying to build something meaningful online, but you're stuck or overwhelmed, don't worry. You're not alone. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to share 9 powerful secrets that can help you dominate the social media game. These strategies aren't just theories. They're real, actionable steps you can use today to elevate your brand and business. Let's dive in. Before we get into it, let's get real for a second. The online world is crowded. Everyone's posting. Everyone's creating. But not everyone is winning. Why? Because they're not focused on what truly works. Whether you're a man trying to grow your side hustle, establish your personal brand, or create a lasting legacy online, these 9 secrets will help you break through the noise and finally get the traction you deserve. First things first, humility. Now, I know what you're thinking. What does humility have to do with social media success? Everything. When you're humble, you stop worrying about what others think and start focusing on creating authentic content. Write down the things you're most passionate about, things that light you up. Then brainstorm how you can share those passions with your audience in a way that serves. Remember, nobody cares about your highlight reel. They care about how you can help them improve their lives. Next up, consistency. Success on social media doesn't come from one lucky post. It comes from showing up day after day, even when you don't feel like it. A 20-second video can go viral, but only if you put in the work to learn what resonates. Commit to posting at least 3 times a week for the next month. Pick one platform, stick to it, and track what content gets the best response. Use this data to refine your approach. Here's the deal. There are a million ways to make money online, but you need to pick the one that aligns with your strengths. Are you great at teaching? Create a course. Do you love speaking? Get on stages or go live on social media. Spend 30 minutes listing your top 3 strengths and interests. Then choose one that you can turn into a business model. Start small. Offer free value to build confidence and see what sticks. This is where many of us struggle, asking for what we're worth. If you're charging $500 for something that's worth $1,000, you're leaving money on the table. Confidence in your value isn't arrogance. It's understanding the transformation you provide. And the next time someone asks your rate, double it. Just try it. You might be surprised how much people are willing to invest when they see your confidence. Social media is evolving fast. It's no longer about how many followers you have. It's about the content you create. Platforms reward engaging posts that keep people watching. Focus on creating high quality, engaging content rather than obsessing over follower counts. Take 30 minutes today to brainstorm 5 ideas for posts that are relatable, helpful, or entertaining. How do I stand out when everyone's doing the same thing? The answer is simple. Be you. No one else has your story, your perspective, or your voice. Share a personal story this week. It could be a challenge you overcame or a lesson you learned. People connect with authenticity, so don't be afraid to be real. There are 2 paths to making money online. Selling someone else's products, which is known as affiliate marketing, or creating your own. Affiliate marketing is quick cash, but creating your own product builds long-term wealth. If you're new, start with affiliate marketing to delve into learn the ropes. Once you understand your audience, consider creating your own product, whether it's a digital course, a physical product, or even consulting services. If you're running a local business, don't overlook the power of Facebook and Instagram ads. A simple $50 investment in a 5-mile radius ad can bring in customers who had no idea you existed. If you own a business, create an ad showcasing what makes your brand special. Use a video or a post that's already performed well organically and target your local community. Social shopping is here, and it's huge. And people are buying directly from Instagram, TikTok, and live streams. If you're not integrating commerce into your content, you're leaving money on the table. Brainstorm one product you can sell to your audience, whether it's merchandise, a digital download, or a service. Start small, promote it in your content, and watch what happens. Listen, I know social media can feel overwhelming, but the truth is, success isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right thing consistently. Start small, focus on providing value, and don't get caught up in the numbers. Remember, one post can change everything. If you're ready to take your social media game to the next level, I've got something for you. Download my free ebook at the Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. This guide is packed with strategies to help you automate your content, reach more people, and grow your brand faster than ever before. Don't miss out. Go grab your copy now. Thanks for spending this time with me. If you found value in this video, share it with someone who's also grinding to build their online presence. Let's grow together. Stay motivated, stay humble, and I'll see you in the next one.